My heart is open, and young blood flows freely, gently cleansing and revitalizing it from within. It rests in peaceful clarity. With each beat, it becomes more stable and calm, nourished by pure, healthy circulation. Nerves around the heart are calm and steady. The brain and spine direct the heart's rhythm with perfect clarity and balance. My heart is clean, refreshed by youthful blood. It feels light, alive, and filled with serene energy. Strength awakens within. My blood fuels the heart with energy, renewing it constantly. The heart's nerves are strong and healthy. Breathing is effortless. My chest opens with ease as new power grows inside. Youthful life unfolds in the heart, energizing, expanding. The heartbeat becomes more stable, the nerves stronger, vitality increasing. The heart glows with peace. Blood nourishes it gently. Calm radiates from the chest with each breath. New life flows into my mind and heart, fresh, vibrant, and healing. It fills me with renewal. The brain and spine absorb this vital force. Their energy grows powerful and focused, perfectly attuned to support the heart. The brain and spinal cord function with focus, strength, and perfect balance. Their stability supports the heart with unwavering clarity. They guide the heart's rhythm with power and precision, maintaining harmony in every beat. With strong, steady control, the brain and spine keep the heart working effortlessly. The heart operates with calm consistency, aligned with this internal balance. Its rhythm is smooth and steady, clear, natural, and strong. The heart maintains a stable pulse, 72 beats per minute, the perfect rhythm of life. This rhythm is imprinted deeply, remembered with clarity and ease. Each beat echoes that ideal pace, steady, natural, and strong. With deep resilience, the heart sustains this healthy flow, calm, reliable, and perfectly attuned. New energy fills the heart, giving rise to vibrant, healthy life within. My heart grows strong and alive. It beats with balanced strength, steady and natural, like the rhythm of youthful vitality. Each pulse is smooth and even. The heart moves in harmony, its rhythm clear and consistent. Vital power flows in, filling the heart with steady force and renewal. With every second, its reserve strength grows, ready to respond with resilience when needed. This heart is deeply stable, unshakably strong. It holds immense inner power and quiet endurance. The heart pulses with strength, full, steady, and alive. Energy flows freely throughout my body and mind. Circulation is complete, open, and unrestricted. My head feels light and clear. A soft brightness fills it as if lit by morning sunlight. My eyes shine with clarity. My mind is calm, my thoughts illuminated and free. Fresh life fills my heart, creating a new, healthy, resilient center within me. It is untouched by pain, pure like a heart that has only known love and care. This heart is strong, clear, and whole. It holds no burden, only vitality. It is deeply protected, resilient and vibrant, grounded in peace and strength. Through the night, my heart beats with perfect rhythm and stability. All night long, it sustains this harmony, calm, smooth and unshaken. The heart maintains a steady, natural rhythm. Each beat is strong, evenly spaced and balanced. It continues this calm motion through the night and into the day, unwavering, rhythmic and clear. My heart remains strong and youthful, working in harmony with the body's natural flow. New life renews my entire cardiovascular system, filling it with strength and clarity. Blood vessels are flexible and resilient, newly refreshed and full of life. Strong, energetic veins form throughout the body, in my arms and legs, steady and efficient. These veins move blood upward with ease, fueling the heart with a powerful, steady stream. Vital strength fills every vein, and the nerves supporting them grow stable and strong. Circulation flows upward with momentum, empowering my heart with every pulse. My entire body is filled with smooth, uninterrupted circulation, open, free, and full of life. The nerves of my cardiovascular system grow stronger each moment. Vitality flows through freshly renewed vessels. This system becomes more powerful with every breath, energized, resilient, and alive. Joyful, youthful blood rushes through my heart in a strong, steady stream. Warm, radiant blood cleanses and refreshes the heart, filling it with brightness and strength. A clear, renewed heart emerges, full of life and energy. Blood flows with joy and power, washing the heart completely. Joy and happiness fill the heart, uplifting it from within. New life brings a bright, joyful heart, radiant, happy, and light-hearted. New life creates a heart that shines, joyful, radiant, full of laughter and ease. My heart lives with vibrant joy and health. It beats with fullness, strength, and clarity. This joy flows deeply, a natural rhythm of happiness and vitality in every heartbeat. Powerful, healthy energy fills the heart again and again, strong, renewing, alive. Fast-growing life pours in, expanding and strengthening the heart from within. This growth is steady, focused, and full of momentum. The heart evolves, becoming more resilient with each moment. It develops rapidly, healing, strengthening, adapting to life with power and grace. Vital energy flows into the muscles of the heart, fueling their rapid growth and renewal. With every passing second, new strength awakens. The heart becomes stronger, more resilient, more alive. This powerful transformation builds from within, expanding steadily. The muscles of the heart grow firmer, more capable, prepared for every demand. A heart of strength is forming, powerful, unwavering, and bold. Unshakable energy fills it, heroic, solid, and full of life. Fresh, dynamic life empowers the heart, driving its evolution forward with purpose. New life rebuilds every part of my heart, fresh, whole, and fully renewed. A perfectly functioning heart is emerging. Right now, it is being restored with purity and strength. Each tissue becomes new, untouched and vibrant, the heart is stable, resilient, and full of purpose. Its rhythm is steady and strong, filled with consistent power. Every second, new healthy energy arises within. The heart grows stronger moment by moment. It builds immense strength, not just in force, but in its ability to endure. This deep reserve allows the heart to remain steady through all of life's challenges. No matter the hardship, the heart continues in perfect balance, steady, clear, and alive. The pulse remains full and rhythmic, 72 beats per minute, the rhythm of calm, natural life. This rhythm is remembered and held with certainty, steady, joyful, and complete. The young heart lives with richness and health, full, vital, and free. It is as if untouched by pain, like the heart of one deeply loved and protected. In joy, it awakens again and again, healing, growing stronger with every breath. Its strength continues to build with every second, endlessly renewing from within.